So you've decided to remodel your bathroom, and the question becomes, who in the world do we hire to do this renovation? Hiring contractors can be scary, difficult, and even confusing. In this video, we are going to give you 10 tips to hiring a professional bathroom contractor, and by the end of this video, you ought to feel comfortable to tackle the next step of your renovation. Interview a handful of contractors to better understand the full scope of your bathroom remodeling options, and contact a few contractors. When speaking with them, focus on how they handle the bathroom renovation process, the scope of projects they've handled, whether they have insurance and the proper license, and the warranties they offer. Also, ask about discounts or specials you may qualify for. Trust your instincts when speaking with contractors. If you don't feel heard, or if your contractor pressures you into a decision, consider taking your renovation job elsewhere. Even if you only want to change a couple of things in your bathroom, you want to have a great relationship with bathroom remodeling contractor of your choice. Check the Better Business Bureau to see if anyone filed a formal complaint against the companies you want to work with, and be sure to know where they excel and even where they may have fallen short. When interviewing contractors, ask for images of their past work. This helps you better determine which contractors match the style you hope to achieve with your remodel. Besides asking for images or looking at them on the business website, ask contractors what problems they usually run into with bathroom renovations and how they handle them. You hope everything goes well with your project, but you want to know your contractor can handle it if something goes wrong. Other than asking for images, read online testimonials from clients. This helps you make sure the contractor's words align with what their customers have to say. Ask contractors for references and contact clients for their opinion. You deserve to hear about a company's work directly from clients rather than rely solely on what a representative says. Get your estimates in writing. The scope of your bathroom remodeling project likely hinges on your budget. When you interview contractors and look over their past work, ask for an estimate for your project. Rather than accept a verbal estimate, get it in writing. A written estimate gives you a breakdown of the renovation, allowing you and the contractor to establish a foundation of trust for your project. Another benefit of written estimates is they minimize human error in calculating. Contractors could forget about an item while doing the math in their heads. Also, written estimates create a binding agreement between you and the contractor. Even better, with the estimate, you may draft a budget for your new bathroom. Discuss scheduling matters. Bring up the matter of scheduling while speaking with bathroom remodeling contractors. Share when you'd like to start and finish your renovation. Then, ask if that matches the contractor's schedule. You may encounter setbacks in the project, so account for those as well. This is another reason why we recommend asking about common bathroom renovation delays, so you know how long it typically takes to get back on the schedule. Once you and the contractor nail down a timeline, you know how to schedule your life around the project. Clarify the contractor's job before starting the project. Run through the job step by step with the contractor. You should agree on who's taking care of what. For instance, is the contractor working with subcontractors or other professionals, such as a plumber or electrician, or are you using their own employees? You deserve to know the people who gain access to your home and everything in it. You may also want to look into the subcontractors' backgrounds to ensure they do great work. If something goes wrong with the project, you should know which party bears responsibility. Reviewing each stage of the project also gives you a chance to voice your concerns and ask questions. Ask about reusing construction materials. To save money, ask if you can reuse materials in your current bathroom for your remodel. Some materials could still be in great shape, and you may find a way to include them in your new design. Ask how to save money on new materials. You could qualify for a discount or special. For new materials, you'll need to find out about energy efficiency, safety, and sustainability. Could using certain materials increase your home's value? Even if you don't plan on putting your home on the market soon, it's nice to know a simple remodeling project makes your property more valuable. Discuss peripherals. Is the bathroom you want to renovate the only bathroom in the house? Perhaps it's only a half bath, or the only bathroom with a shower or tub. Either way, think about how not having access to that bathroom affects your day-to-day life. You may need to see if one of your neighbors would let you use their bathroom while you wait for the contractors to finish. Even if you still have access to your bathroom, you must still think about the contractor's schedule. How will the work, teams coming and going change how you shower, shave, and handle your personal hygiene tasks? Check industry licensing and credentials. Touching back on licensing, ensure all the bathroom remodeling contractors you're thinking of hiring have a current license. To become licensed, industry professionals must meet specific requirements. For instance, they must have a current liability insurance policy, pass tests, become bonded, and pass a criminal background check. Even if a contact has a license, double check that it's current. Does your bathroom renovation require your contractor to have special credentials to perform the work? Find out and then ask if the technicians possess the credentials. You don't want to end up with shoddy work because you hired an unqualified professional. Choose your contractor who suits you and your needs. Take your time while narrowing your contractor options. Rather than focus on price, think about how the contractors made you feel during your initial interview. How did the employees treat you when you first contacted the company? Which contractor offered thorough answers to your questions rather than 1 or 2 word responses? How long did it take for the company to get back to you with answers to your question? Before letting a contractor set foot in your home, sign a contract. Look over the legal document before signing it to make sure it includes everything you discussed and agreed on. Double check the price, payment, schedule, your physical address, start and end dates, and any coupons or discounts you qualify for. You and the contractor should both sign the document before work begins. Please review our top 8 questions to ask any remodeler you interview before signing a contract, and please reach out to us on our website at jsbhomesolutions.com if you have any further questions.